Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About x to the power of 10, we can put into x multiplied by x and so on like this. Next, we can distribute x for this one and x for this one and this x for this one, and we will create like this. Now we need to consider about this one. So when s approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here and here. We have Fn number 1, and that is about number 0. So we have 0 over 0. That is about F hospital. So we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one, if we do first the derivative, we have 1 over 1 plus x. This one we have number 1. Now we need to simplify it. And we can put number 0 cone here. And we have number 1. Now let's go to the second one. So I will put number 2 in here. And this one we have like this. So we do the same technique when s approaches to number 0. This one we have number 0. Fn number 1, we have number 0. And they repeat the same process. And we have number 2. So as you can see that this one we have number 1, this one we have number 2, this one we have number 3, until this one we have number 10. So if we simplify it, and we have number 1 multiplied by number 2, number 3, and so on until number 10, or we can put about 10 factorial, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.